every second of every day. A hidden force keeps the modern world alive. It moves millions of cars across highways. It lifts giant aircraft into the sky. It powers ships carrying food, medicine, and goods across entire oceans. Without it, cities would go dark, factories would stop, and modern life as we know it would begin to collapse. Yet this force starts as something surprisingly ordinary. A thick, black liquid buried deep beneath the earth. Crude oil. But here's the incredible part. When oil first comes out of the ground, it's almost useless. You can't pour it into your car. You can't fuel a jet with it. You can't power a ship with it. So, how does this dark liquid become the fuel that drives civilization? The answer lies inside some of the most complex industrial machines ever built. Massive oil refineries. And what happens inside them is far more remarkable than most people realize. For thousands of years, crude oil had little value. Ancient civilizations discovered it leaking naturally from the ground. Some used it to waterproof boats. Others used it as a primitive adhesive. A few even burned it for light. But nobody imagined it would one day become the foundation of the modern world. Then everything changed. In 1859, in the state of Pennsylvania, a man named Edwin Drake drilled what many historians consider the first successful commercial oil well. Suddenly, humans could extract oil on a large scale. At first, the most valuable product wasn't gasoline, it was kerosene. People desperately needed lamp fuel to light homes and streets after sunset. Gasoline was often treated as little more than waste, something refiners didn't know what to do with. But history was about to take a dramatic turn. The invention of the automobile changed everything. As more Americans began buying cars, demand for gasoline exploded. The substance once considered worthless became one of the most valuable fuels on Earth. And a new challenge emerged. How could humanity transform crude oil into enough fuel to power an industrial civilization? Today, the search for oil takes humans into some of the most extreme environments on the planet. Deep deserts, frozen Arctic regions, and far out into the open ocean. Hundreds of miles from shore, enormous offshore platforms rise from the sea, like floating cities made of steel. Many are taller than skyscrapers, built to survive hurricanes, towering waves, and relentless storms. Beneath them lies an underground world hidden beneath layers of rock. Engineers drill thousands of feet below the ocean floor, searching for reservoirs formed millions of years ago. When oil finally reaches the surface, it doesn't arrive alone. It comes mixed with water, natural gas, sand, and countless impurities. The liquid must be separated and stabilized before its journey can continue. But reaching the surface is only the beginning. The real transformation hasn't even started yet. Every day, an invisible transportation network moves oil around the world. Millions of barrels flow through pipelines stretching across mountains, deserts, forests, and plains. At sea, giant tankers carry enough crude oil in a single voyage to fuel entire cities. These vessels are among the largest machines ever built by humanity. Moving slowly across oceans, they connect distant oil fields to the industrial centers that depend on them. Their destination is often the same, an oil refinery. From a distance, a refinery looks almost futuristic, a maze of towers, miles of pipes, massive storage tanks, and giant flames burning day and night. But behind this intimidating appearance lies a surprisingly simple scientific idea. Heat. Inside the refinery, crude oil enters giant furnaces. Temperatures soar high enough to transform much of the liquid into vapor. The hot mixture is then sent into one of the refinery's most important structures, a distillation tower. Imagine a gigantic vertical maze where temperatures change from bottom to top. The lower levels are extremely hot. The upper levels are much cooler. As the vapor rises, different molecules begin separating. Some condense quickly. Others continue climbing higher. Each hydrocarbon finds its own level inside the tower, almost like passengers getting off an elevator on different floors. This process separates crude oil into various groups: light gases, gasoline components, jet fuel ingredients, diesel fractions, and heavy oils. It's one of the most elegant engineering solutions ever developed. But there is still a problem. Nature doesn't produce oil in the exact proportions humans need. If refiners simply separated crude oil and stopped there, the world would quickly run out of gasoline and diesel. That's because much of crude oil consists of heavy molecules. The modern world needs lighter fuels. So, engineers developed an extraordinary solution. They break molecules apart. Inside specialized units, enormous hydrocarbon chains are exposed to intense heat and carefully controlled conditions. Long molecular structures split into smaller ones, a process known as cracking. This is where chemistry becomes industrial magic. Molecules that once had limited value are transformed into fuels capable of powering cars, trucks, aircraft, and ships. Without this technology, modern transportation simply could not exist at today's scale. Billions of engines around the world depend on it every single day. But creating fuel is not enough. It must also be cleaned. Crude oil naturally contains sulfur and other contaminants. When burned, these impurities can contribute to pollution. To solve this problem, refineries use advanced treatment systems. Hydrogen is introduced under carefully controlled conditions. Chemical reactions remove unwanted substances from the fuel. The result is cleaner burning gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. This process has helped reduce emissions dramatically compared with fuels used decades ago. Behind every gallon of fuel at a gas station lies an extraordinary amount of chemistry, engineering, and quality control. Most people think oil becomes fuel. But fuel is only part of the story. Look around your room, the plastic on your keyboard, the synthetic fibers in your clothes, paint on the walls, medical equipment, packaging materials, phone components, tires, cosmetics, even the roads beneath your feet. Many trace their origins back to crude oil. In reality, petroleum is not just an energy source. It is one of the fundamental building blocks of modern civilization. Its influence reaches nearly every industry on Earth, often in ways we rarely notice, from deep beneath the earth to giant drilling platforms in the ocean, from pipelines stretching across continents to refineries operating around the clock. Crude oil travels through one of the largest industrial systems humanity has ever created. Along the way, it is heated, separated, broken apart, cleaned, and transformed into thousands of products that power daily life. The next time you fill your car with fuel, board an airplane, or simply pick up a plastic object, remember the incredible journey that made it possible. Because behind every drop of fuel and every petroleum-based product lies a story of science, engineering, and human ingenuity on a truly global scale. And perhaps the most remarkable part of all is that humanity learned how to turn a dark liquid buried underground for millions of years into the resource that helped build the modern world. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more fascinating stories about the technologies, industries, and engineering achievements that shape our lives every day.